Namaste. Today we are going to teach you full deep back bend advanced yoga posture. This posture is increase your flexibility in shoulder and back bend, and how to open your shoulder and back bend support with wheel and block. This posture variation of Raj Kapoth Asana. But this posture you can avoid one thing. Should beginner people don't try this posture. And now let's begin with us. We can show you how to do step by step this posture. Okay, first Dinglen. So you can see sit down and both legs are forward straight. Thang Chen, Thang Lung. Okay, so first you check back straight, Thang Lung, and you can fix your wheel with your back. Slowly, Kochen Mochut. Okay, then lying your spine, Lung Suang, High Thigh Lane Chain, Chap Thigh. When you can hear Chap Thigh, hit Wow. Thora, Mong Lane, and slowly High Thigh Swung, Thang Chen. One thing you can remember, High Chen Swung. Hit Wow, Swung, Mong Swung. Thora, Lane, slowly. Try to be full body stretch there. This exercise you should try to be 20 to 30 times. If you are intermediate person of practice, so you can try this posture, try to be 20 to 30 times. Inhale, come back, hit wow. Okay, second exercise, catch your elbow over your head. So that time look front and head up. Inhale, exhale, slowly bend your spine. Nook lane, down lane. This posture you should try again 20 to 30 times. Second exercise. Okay, and feel press your shoulder and head up high. Okay, again third. When you can come back Thang Lung, same exercise, but that time you should be both elbows down in your mat. Inhale, then exhale, slowly. Inhale, high Chen Thang. This exercise, Thang Chen, Ba. Again try to be 10 to 20 times. Now last one, fourth exercise. There have two variations. If you are comfortable, so try to be hip down. Okay, hip down slowly. Okay, hip down. Okay, listen. If you are comfortable, so hip down. If not comfortable, High Chen Thang. Okay, Thang Chen, and slowly, elbow and shoulder should be down. Slowly, elbow down. Okay. You see, okay, inside, down lane. If you are comfortable, so try to be feel press High Chen lane. If you are comfortable, so try to be High Chen lane. If not comfortable, Mo Chen lane. Okay. Thora Swung, Doi Bend. Yes. Only press your leg. Hit bow, Thora Swung. Inhale, one leg up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. This exercise try to be 20 times. It's depend on your capacity. Okay, come back slowly. Now last one exercise. This exercise is very important. You see all people? Okay, Dinglen. Siklen. Okay. Again, same portion. Okay, swung, Daugoi swung. Okay, six swung. Okay, you see how to open your upper back. First, upper back and shoulder. So you see, put your toe in your upper back. Okay, High Thigh Lane Chain. Then Chap Thigh, hit wow. You see Nook lane. So try to be hit thigh. Inhale, exhale. So hold there few seconds. 50 seconds and try to be 1 minute also if you are most comfortable. head up. Good. So come back slowly, slowly. Vajrasana. Okay, Ambe. Try this exercise also 3 and 4 times. Okay, again come back. Second one is more danger exercise, so you should avoid this exercise if you are not comfortable. Before we are put our toe in upper back, so now we are put our knee in our spine. So this posture try to be very carefully. So okay, high thigh length, then catch your elbow. Last one, inhale. So you see, exhale, nucleus down. Hold this posture 1 minute something. Shitha. Make more comfortable in your body. Try to be Yammatlai. Okay, relax. Try 1 minute and down again, Vajrasana. So now we are doing final posture. So final posture is full variation of Raj Kapot Asana. Okay, so first fix your wheel in here. Okay, put both blocks inside. You can see, all people can remind, you can fix your both blocks. Okay, so first couch and filane, adai, mochan, swai. Okay. Okay, slowly remind. Okay, you can see first easily and smoothly. Couch and chai. Chan file lane adai. Okay. Couch and chai lane. Chan chai sick lane chin moy, sick lane. Okay, sick lane. Okay. All people can see this leg, sick lane. You can remind it's danger for your knee, so try to be very carefully and very gently. So don't press your knee too much and only force your toes and feet. Make balance in your body and control your breath. So now we are doing full posture. So you see, high thigh length chain. First, chan sick lane hoga khamsao. Okay, high thigh length chain and hip bow in here. Thora gasao, slowly, gasao. You see, both hands in knee. Okay, slowly. Khamsuang. Bantai swai, hitha, bantai swai. Okay, hitfao. You see, gaptai motlan. Zuadai. Chanchai siklin muchu. Tu. Okay, one time, hitfao, come back. Kyu tai suang thara. This posture is very dangerous, so you should try to be very carefully, and please don't do this posture alone, and try practice with a qualified teacher and guru. And again this posture, again inhale, slowly. Exhale, hands are back, then tu, high thigh, slowly, hitha. Okay, try to be head in your toe, hitha, thang tai tu. Slowly, you can see there, thang tai. You can see full body stretch and chanchai siklen muchut. Okay, so all people can remind this posture is very danger, but if you are intermediate person of practice of yoga, so you should try to with this posture very gently and very happily. So now you can see our full variation of full Raj Kapot Asana. And if you like our video, so you can like our channel video and make comment in our video and click the subscriber button. Inhale, come back, slowly. Exhale, back. Okay. So you should do this posture also second side. Doiben. Namaste. See you soon with another video. Now bye bye.